Sito inasabangan tanza wuzum na misomito. So bangan tanza wunso. Una mesomito tutimona bonsieto musoba yena. Sieto musoba yena. Bima betu moise kese mazono. Serviça e mambo makala bonsi kumazono no mika mambo mankembo babingi vapovanga vo mambo kansi kapena mwana yakala masiko Manata muntu akakamuvumo kyali Davaza viba
Oh habaka bantu bole menzambi ni gokena Fweti yanga la Umbelolo na munjadulu zabu Kemo kwa yahandi Sudian kentu, sudian zambi tutanga beto kuna kumakongo Bungong kentu leanga falanga piabioto Fulame, hello, yeah. Kemo konfumo. Wanamboka kunana roto emuko muta mfumure yelemu kayo yo tuvutukanga Ngana yo, je vous entends pas.
Tuvutukanga.
Est-ce que là-haut, est-ce qu'il y a des gens là-bas? Mais si.
Tuvutukanga.
Ebelo mame, olo zankento gogo.
Tuvutukanga.
ngarale maloro lele obalongo tutukanga yo tutukanga ala ya dodo tutukanga. Régulièrement.
La prochaine chanson de cet album très émouvant,
c'est le Sambou. Le Sambou, c'est la prière. Donc, nous, en Afrique centrale, surtout nous les Congos, parce que nous venons du Congo, nous sommes de l'ancien royaume Congo, nous avons notre manière de louer le Dieu qu'on appelle Zambi Mpungu, le Dieu puissant. Et là, nous l'implorons pour qu'il ait un œil de compassion pour le peuple Congo qui est un peu délaissé. Et c'est notre prière pour que ce peuple se réveille, retrouve ses valeurs, des valeurs d'humanité, d'amour. Voilà.
À vous, merci.
Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Vanatunu. Yalulendo, Fumu, Varatunu, Tata Webusu, Umbakuya Sembe, Boyambi Kandi, the Sala, Bokoma, Fumu Yalulendo, Gevidi Biabiosono, Boyambi Kandi, the Sala, Bokoma. Bantu pe munzagi eberi wasara bozo bayami dikagi besara kokoma ko
Zambe yokomona kosambela muzani siwa dikolona se Kembo Kembo na kombo na yo mozadi siwa bikela monyonso
Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu. Palembolo kimi numpasi mukota diozulu Bimbe bobina yokanzambi kumeka vana bilungu Yaosono bilingana ngewa salabyo Kwa iyambiri kandi ya salaboko maku Bawatoto ngepiwa mapiwa vana bifweji itama. Matubeba bonsoro vana beki belo kyokia sungama. Kuna zulu yekutoto kumwaku ya zangu kao. Wayambilikandi ya salamo kumaku. Za Yaruledo, za Yaruledo, para tu. Za Yaruledo, za Yaruledo, fumu para tu. Za Yaruledo, za Yaruledo, para tu. Za Yaruledo, za Yaruledo, fu.
Non, 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 non. Le grand mix.
Kwame kasa siya longo, siya longo, longo. Mono kwame kasa siya longo, siya longo, longo. Yandikafundi zingulu zangani yaya. Yanikainkentwangani yaye. Ebo ebebo. Yanikakangwa kindo kikampimba yaya. Yanikaiensusu zangani yaye. Ebo ebebo. Yandikafundi zingulu zangani yaya. Yanikainkentwangani yaye. Ebo ebebo. Yanikakangwa kindo kikampimba yaya. Yanikaiensusu zangani yaye. Ebo ebebo. Lusale, lusala, lusale, lusala. Lusala mboteza no kwanyu kereso sa yaya. Lusala nzambia mikoni mwakumbaka yaye. Ebo ebebo. Lusale, lusala, lusale, lusala. Lusala mboteza no kwanyu kereso sa yaya. Lusala nzambia mikoni mwakumbaka yaye. Hey boy, big boy. Lusale, lusala, lusale, lusala, lusale, lusala, lusale, lusala, lusale, lusala, lusale, lusala,
Lusale, lusala, lusale, lusala. Mono kwame kasana nzia ndongo, nzia ndongo, longo. Mono kwame kasana nzia ndongo, nzia ndongo, longo. Longo, longo.
Tokolonga, mon mère, Rogatien Milor, Garo Marca, Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie, nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés, déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences. Et ensemble, we are one, you and I. Let's stick together. Lego kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili toni makambo ebele ya sala na kimia eloko nyonso komaka na ngonga nango.
Yambote, Tatale.
Yambote, Tatapanzo.
Oh, thank you very much. Welcome, well done. Let me just remove this banner. I think Tata Dev is not coming. Nengwa Tadiwa is coming late. Okay, let me just greet the audience. Welcome. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Thank you very much for being there. Don't move, please. Don't move. Oh, Nengwa members here. She's trying to connect. Yeah, Tata, best I'm going. Let's see if Nengwa. We Nengwa member. She's struggling. She's okay. Oh, she dropped. Yes, Tata. Can you see my screen? My slide, Tata. Can you see it? Tata, can you hear me? What's up? Tata. Yeah. I'm sorry. Let us wait for Tatale. Tatale, can you hear me, Tatale?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, yes. Okay. Let me try to. I'm sharing something very important. I mean, we've been there before, but just remember Kikongo. Personal pronoun, these are the standard, yes? EU, K, yeah, totally. I think there's a delay, totally. Oh, I'm sorry. We have a technical issue here. Oh, no. Yeah, I'm sorry. Totally, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, there's a delay then. Oh, I think my computer is freezing. Sorry. Can you see my screen, Tetele?
Yeah, I can see a screen. Present perfect indicative.
Yeah, can you see the yes, person? I'm talking about
Yeah,
personal pronoun.
I you
Yes.
ka
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
babe.
Are you okay with this pronoun? Yes, Tetele.
Yeah, I'm okay with it.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, for someone who's watching, I'm just I would like to say this. These are pronouns, but singular is the top one. You K I K K O A. Oh, depends on tense. Yes, because if you go to these are present perfect tense. We are not using kwenda as kwenda first person is ngele. Ngele. I'm not using ingele. I'm not. You can't say ingele. Tatale. Yes. I'm sorry. There is something going wrong with my computer. It's freezing. Yes, Tatale.
Yeah.
Let me-
I kind of lost you there for a
There's
second.
a delay. Yes.
Yeah. I can hear you, but I don't know if it's a delay.
Oh, okay. Fingers crossed. Yes. Just on singular beats, singular. I mean, let's put it like this. Future, plural. There's no change. Tuluba. Yes, Tatale. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But singular. I mean, from EU. I'm saying EUIA. It depends on tense. Yeah, totally. Because here, when I'm saying ngele, the nasal is my first person. I don't need to use.
You're breaking up.
I'm breaking up. Oh, I'll be the. Let me see. Don't move. Just stay. Just stay where you are, please. We are sorry.
There's a problem with the connection.
Yeah, totally. Yes.
Yeah, I lost you there for like a good 10,
Yeah,
15
yeah,
seconds.
you didn't hear me. I said that I'm going to refresh my computer, so you find yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Nengwa said she's trying to log in, man. She's struggling. I don't know why. Okay, let me just try to share my file again. Where is it? I'm going to find it. Hopefully, so be okay. Yeah, today are you there? Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, there's a bit, bit of delay. I'm sorry. Apologies. Yes, let me try to say it again. Mm, E. I'm saying in Congo. I'm reading in Congo. E U K A depends on the tense. So kwenda dia. Let's say we have verb dia kwenda. We're talking present perfect indicative. Mm. We are not using ingele. No, you're saying ngele. Tell me, yes. I can't believe it. Tell let me try to remove my Nengatodiwa.
Kiambote. Tata
Hey,
Mpanzi.
Kiambote, we're having issues here. Let me see. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I was struggling to
Oh,
join, but now I'm here.
oh, sorry. I think we are having some issues. I don't know. It looks fine. There's no error message popping up. Well, anyway, let's see. Tatale should come back soon. He was here. Okay, let me try to show my Kiambote mavimbi nangwatadi. Mavimbi.
Ingita. Tuna mavimpi. Yenu,
Okay. Look at here, Nengwatadiwa.
Yes.
You're familiar with this one, pronoun, person pronoun, yes?
Yes, the Tuluba.
Yeah, okay, that's it. Tuluba, plural, there's no change, but the first part, the singular bit, depends on your tense, yes? Because here, kwenda, you read ngele, because your nasal is your first person. You don't say ingele. Yes? That's the name of the yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
So you're saying
So,
yele.
ngele. So I've gone, yes. Yeah, where are we? Ngele, I've gone, yes. Ndidi, I've eaten. Then this what is it? This is standard, yes, but look at here. Tense, because we have present continuous, you add TA, yeah? Ta is your ing in English. Yes, Negotariwa?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
questions.
Also, it only
No?
for
Okay.
the person, for the first,
Sorry?
second, and third person. For the first, second, and third person, the pronoun changes only in the present perfect tense, but not present tense, not the other present tenses.
Yes, yeah, this is what I'm trying to say, yeah, because there's no change on Tuluba, yes? Keep your Tuluba, yeah, as it is, but this first bit, this singular part depends on, yes, your tense. That's the language, yes?
Yes.
Because here on present tense, it's fine, but present continuous, ita, uta, yes? This is a bit different because here we're talking about continuous, we're adding ta to all of them, but when we go to present perfect indicative, you don't use the personal pronoun on the singular bit, yeah, because on the plural we have Tuluba, yes? Yes, yes. Well done, you're doing well. You're no longer a beginner, yeah? Did you know that? You're moving, yeah? Yes.
I'm a beginner.
No. You know why I'm saying that? Because you've been there, you're learning, you know the what's the word? You have your pillars, yeah? These are pillars.
You have my foundation.
Yeah. These are pillars. Here, this is verb. Hold on, I'm talking Portuguese here. Verb color. Yes. Verb color. It to be. To have. Remember to have. The verb to have.
To have.
Yes.
Is it not yena?
Kala ye. Just kala add ye.
Kala ye.
Kala ye. Yes. Kala ye. You want me to write down? Kala. Kala.
Yes.
Let me just write. Kala ye. Oh, that one,
Is it in the? Do you write it in the chat?
Sorry?
Did you write Kalaye in the chat?
Yeah, I'm going to display. Tatale is here. Let me see. Kiambote, Tatale.
Kiambote.
Oh, I think should be okay now, yeah?
Yeah.
Tatale, how do you say to have, the verb to have in Kikongo?
To have
Yes.
is Kala.
Go ahead, Kala, yes. And
Kala.
to be is
Oh,
Kala. but to have-
Kalaye.
Yes, Kalaye, yeah. Yeah, Nengotedu, yes.
Kalaye. Yes.
Yeah. I am Ngina. I have Kala Nginaye. Yes?
Oh.
Nginaye Nzimbu. I have money. Nginaye Nzimbu. Yes? I am Ngina. Okay. Thank you very much for being patient. Okay, let me just go back. I was trying to tell you, we've been here. I'm saying to you, Nengotedi, you people are no longer beginners, yeah? You're moving, totally, yeah?
Yeah.
We're moving. No, I'm serious because you are learning. We have a pillars. In Kikongo we call it Makunzi. Yeah? Let me just write down. Makunzi. Makunzi, yes. See? Kikongo is a very rich language. Makunzi. Plural, yeah? Makunzi. You need to write down that pillar.
Makunzi.
How do you write pillar? W-L, yes? Pillar. No, this is plural. Pillars. Kunzi, one. Seriously, yeah. I'm still criticizing the linguists, Kikongo linguists. Can you see that? Makunzi, yes? Kunzi is singular, yes. These are pillars. Yes, so let me just go. Okay, I was trying to explain to Tatal, it was breaking, but this is what I was trying to say. You know your pronoun, personal pronoun, standard. Plural bits, plural part, this side, there's no change, but the first one, take note, the first one depends on tense, yes? Tatal, yes? Here, you don't say Ngele, no, you just say Ngele because Ngele, by being nasal, it means your first singular. Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Even hard, where is my screen? Okay, here. This is a typical one. Past in Kikongo is very, very hard. Yes? We don't want to spend time there. Here, let me just try to highlight it. Singular, singular, totally. Singular, but you're on mute.
Sorry.
Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Yeah, this is past. Past, your I becomes yeah. What you second? Are you with me? Totally. This is
what?
Yeah. Totally.
Yeah, no, I'm seeing.
Yeah, then it depends on your tone, yeah, the way you pronounce the word, the verbs, very important. Yakala kumbanza Congo. Had been Banza Congo, yes, that's one, yeah? Yakala. Yakala. Yakala.
So if I say Yakala, it won't make sense. Because Yakala means something different.
Yakala, man, yes? Yakala. Yakala. Yakwenda. Wakala. Wakwenda. Okay, questions. This is hard. You just need to. At least we have Kwenda and the Kala. Should be okay. Yes. We focus on these two verbs. We know Kala, Kwenda. Quiz as well. Yeah, quiza. Question. That's on it.
No, no, I don't have any questions.
Yeah, good. Thank you. Yeah, Kwenda. Just keep in mind. Okay. Future, of course. Just remember your auxiliary. Yes, singer. Yes, yes, singer. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You have okay. Yes. I'm coming tomorrow. Tatale. Remember the verb come to come.
Yeah.
I'm coming tomorrow. Object first. Tomorrow is your object here. Object Mbazi. Mbazi is your tomorrow. Tomorrow is Mbazi, yes.
So the Mbazi sing Quiza, or is it?
Bravo, yeah. Correct, yes. Mbazi is singer. Just remember the rules, yeah. Mbazi is singer Quiza. Then go tell you, yes.
Yes.
We're going tomorrow. Then go tell you.
We are going tomorrow. So
Yes.
tusinga kwenda Mbaji.
Object first.
Mbazi tusinga kwenda.
Yeah, Mbazi tusinga kwenda. Of course, if you say to kwenda Mbazi, people understand, but we need to keep stick to rules. Yes. Question this Tatale, no?
Yeah, I do have a question.
Go ahead.
I hope I'm not gonna confuse myself a little anymore. Oh no, that's future. Okay, I was confusing it with a present tense. Never mind.
Which verb?
No, anga, like izingilanga.
Oh, okay, zinga. Go. Yeah, zinga. Yeah, zinga is your verb. Present tense, yeah. Zinganga, yes.
Zinganga, yeah.
So in this case, you still use you need to use your first pronoun, yeah. Izinganga, uzinganga, kazinganga, tuzinganga, luzinganga, bezinganga. Is it clear to them?
Yeah.
Just focus. I mean, just mind your tense, yes, because all tense depend. I mean, this is Kikong, this is Bantu language. Then what tell you, yes? we are in Africa, you see. Okay, can we move to the next one? Then what tell you? Question.
So have we been mainly just working on the I guess present continuous, present tense, present indicative?
Yeah, future, yes. Yeah.
Okay. So, but we've worked on the future before, right? Or is this the first time?
I understand your question. We did it before, Papa Makonde, but you remember we used to use O for second, third, yes?
Yeah. Okay, got it.
The only change is this one. I mean, this is something. This is a common denominator. We stick to this one. We stick with this. We just keep this a standard. Is singer, usinga, kasinga. And what are the questions?
Okay, so do some people still say Osinga for the second and third person?
It is correct. It is Congo, Kikongo spoken in Mbanza, Congo. Kikongo, how do you call it?
Oh, people in Mbanza, Congo.
Kisi Congo, yeah. O for both. O for even third person. I remember this song. Oh, Yisun Kembo ACCD. He left. You using instead of car. Totally get this, yeah. Instead of car, the great man would have used a. Yeah, Tetane. You
Mm.
drop K, you just A. Asing, Oisu Asinga quiz, something like this. Asinga. So, Kikongo spoken in Banza Congo, just O, second, third, and sometimes A, just for third. Are we okay? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
But most variants, this is the standard. That's why we focus on always something that's common to many people.
Understand.
Easy to understand. It's not confusing. EU. Okay. Yes. Okay. Definitely. Okay, because you're moving, this is a bit hard. Here, color is past simple. Yeah, remember. Wait. This is color past perfect. Yes. But here, color past simple. Yes. Don't worry about that. Don't memorize. Just understand the principle. Here, basic thing is we're losing our E, U, K, A. Yes, on first pronoun. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Your first pronoun, past. Just remember, that's why I was hesitant to teach you past. Very hard. Past tense, you drop your E, U, A, K. Yes? Past tense, first person, ya. Second, wa, ka. Okay. Zono. Okay, so this one was no, it's not wrong, but we keep a standard. Always your object. Kumbanza Kongo ya kele zono. Zono, what is zono? Ningwatadiwa.
Zono.
Yes. Ningwa tatane, remember zono?
This is.
What is that?
Zono.
To return?
Zono yesterday, zono.
Yesterday. Oh yeah.
Yesterday.
Oh yeah. It's one of the first things we learned a long time ago.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
zono.
only know today and tomorrow.
Zono, Zwizi. Zwizi before yesterday, yes?
Yeah, Zwizi, Zono, Wunu,
Mbazi.
Mbazi. Oh my God.
Yeah. Mbazi. Yeah. Okay, when I say you try to translate, try to help me, Tetane. When I say Kumbanza Kongo yakele zono, can you translate it into Kikongo? Into Kikongo, yeah. Into English. What am I saying? Sorry. Okay. Anyway, in English, let me try to read again.
I was in Banza Congo yesterday.
Yes, Kumbanza Kongo. Yes, always. I wrote zono, but always object first. Yeah, Tetane.
Yeah.
Always. I mean, you could put object either side, but just keep in mind always object first. Of course, when we talk in destination, location, what's the keyword? The first thing we do? Preposition, remember?
Cool.
Yes, exactly, yeah. Kumbanza Kongo yakele zone. Okay. I am in Banza Congo. Congo. Yes.
I am in Banza Congo.
Yes. Very easy. 2 words.
Yeah.
Yeah, always. Yeah, good. Always, yes. Preposition, yes. Go ahead, yes. Kumbanza Congo, yes.
Kumbanza Congo.
Yes.
Isinga.
I am in Banza. I am. Remember verb
Alright.
color.
Oh, what am I doing wrong?
I am in Banza Kong. I am. Your verb color, first person.
Yeah. Oh, Yakala.
You are.
No.
I am. Your verb is color.
No. I know. I'm.
You know, I know you. You know that. You just confuse yourself.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, Kumbanza Kongo. Yes, go ahead.
Kumbanza
Verb
Kongo.
color, first person.
Kalaye, or I don't. I'm lost.
No, you don't know. You know your verb. You know your verb. Your verb color, yes, but you have to conjugate your verb color.
Isn't it Nyele?
Okay, let us go back to basics. Verb color. First person. Nengo tariwa. I'm going to give you the second person there. Wuna. So the first person, totally.
You said Wuna.
I'm giving a hint. Yeah, the verb color. Second singular, Wuna. So you give me the first singular.
Ngina.
Bravo, yes, yeah.
Ngina.
So when I say I am in Banza Kongo.
Okay, yeah. Ngina. Yeah, okay, because okay. The verb itself is Ngina, and the first person is also Ngina.
No. The verb is infinitive is kala, totally.
Oh, it is Kala.
Yeah, the verb is kala, yes.
I don't know why I have it. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I'm confusing myself the way I took down my notes. Okay.
No. How come totally? Is there? Can you see it?
No. I see. Okay,
verb kala. Yeah, can you see verb kala? I am Ngina. You are Wuna.
No.
Yes.
I'm looking at some old notes and I made a mistake.
So no worries. I'm in Banza Kongo, just Kumbanza Kongina, yes?
Yes.
He is in Banza Kongo. He is in Banza Kongo.
Kumbanza Kongo.
Kena, yes.
Kena.
Yeah, yes. This Wuna in third, I mean, it's not common, but you just keep it back. Kena, usually Kena. Then go tell you, ask question.
No, I don't have any question.
Let me just move my screen. We are in Banza Kongo.
Kumbanza Kongo. Tuna.
Bravo, yes. Then go tell you, third, they are in Banza Kongo. Then go tell you, background noise, I think. They are in Banza Kongo.
Kumbanza Kongo. Bena.
Bravo, yes. Bena, yes. Yes. Okay. Yes, then go tell you, yes. It's a background noise. Background noise, yes. Okay. Yes. Questions? Okay. I need to change to go to another slide. Then go tell you questions.
No question.
There's a background noise, yeah? Sorry. Okay, let me just remove this. Okay, we have 15 minutes. You're doing well, totally. I am in Banza Congo, just 2 words. Kumbanza Kongina, yeah? Yeah, just 2 words. I want to make it easy. Give me I'm trying to share something from here. Kumbanza, just remember your color. Kumbanza Kongina. Kumbanza Kongotuna. Yeah, is it visible on my screen? Yes. Yes,
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. This is negative, yes. Let me just try to make it bigger. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is negative. K is your. I'm using French just to try to help here because there's no correspondence in English. K is your ne, because we Kikongo we have a double negative, as in French. Je ne pas. Negative always goes with ne goes with pas. Are you okay? Yes. Are you okay? Can you hear me? Yeah, okay.
Yes,
is your your. Sorry?
No, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah. I is your first person, of course. I. Remember I, yeah? I, there's no change there. Ta is your N-I-N-G. Get this is important. Yes? Ta in Gikongo, yeah? Is your ing. Your continuous in English, yeah?
Yeah.
Ko, of course, pa in French. Okay. Over to you. I'm not eating.
I am not eating. Kidiako.
Just read just your verb here, but you read it as it is. Just insert your verb here, please.
Well, I'm not eating. So this is what I'm getting confused. Okay, so Kita Diako?
Yes. You're right, a bit confusing. It's confusing. Kidiako. I'm not going to eat. I'm going to say in Portuguese, in French. Kidiako. Je ne veux pas manger. Não vou comer in Portuguese. Yes?
Oh, okay. Okay. Kidiako, I'm not going to eat. Kita Diako. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah?
A bit hard. I don't know. That was Kidiako. You say no. You give me a bread. No, Kidiako. I have a cake. Yeah, Kidiako. Yeah, I don't eat. I'm not. It's hard to translate because in English you always say ing, but let me say it in French. Je ne vais pas manger. You understand French, totally?
Yes.
You give me a bread, a cake. I say, je ne vais pas manger. I don't want it. Yes.
Yeah. I
don't want it.
Okay.
I don't want it. Yes. Quote unquote. I don't want it. But here we're saying Kita Diako. What are you doing? I'm not eating. Yes, totally. I'm not at the table eating. I'm not at the table. Yes.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to understand that. I think I understand what you're saying. Yeah.
No. This we're talking about doing. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this.
I'm not doing. Okay.
I'm not eating. Yeah, I'm not doing this. Yeah.
Okay. Now that makes sense. Okay.
I'm not doing. I'm not doing this. I'm not going.
Okay. Yeah.
Kita Diako, meaning that I'm not at table. I'm not in restaurants. That's I'm going to tell you.
Yeah.
On mute. Yeah.
Okay.
I give you a piece of cake. Can you eat this? Kidiako. No. No, thank you. Yes, Kidiako. Yes.
Mm.
But you are in the kitchen. What are you doing? Are you eating? No, Kitadiako. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Can what I do? Say something, please.
I'm sorry, there's noise in the background. That's why.
Yes, but is it clear to you? Yes.
Yes, it's clear.
Yeah, I want to
But
give you
only-
bread. I say,
Okay.
have a piece. Can you eat Kidiako? I don't want it. Don't worry. But you are in kitchen. You're sitting in the kitchen. I'm asking you, are you eating? Yeah, Kitadiako. What are you doing at the moment? Yes. Totally clear.
Yeah.
Okay, it's clear.
Yeah. Okay.
I understand.
Totally. I know translation is always hard, you know. I'm not speaking. Totally. You know the verb.
Kitavovako.
Yes, you understand what I'm trying to say. When you say, I don't want it, I mean, in English should be like this. I don't want it. Kitadiako. No, sorry. Kidiako, I don't want it. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. Kidiako, no, I don't want it. Then the other question is, what are you doing now? Yes. I'm in the kitchen. What are you doing? Are you eating? No, I'm not eating. Kitadiako.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. I understand. Nana, I got it. I got it.
It's because I mean translation always like this. Yes. Okay. Because in English, I mean, hard to translate sometimes. Yes. Nengo Tadiwa, I'm not coming. Please. Nengo Tadiwa, I'm not coming. You're on mute. Let me just. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Kikwiza ko. Was it Kitakwiza?
Yes, we're talking ing here. Yes, doing. Yes, Kitakwizako. Yes, Kikwizako. How do you translate it totally? Kikwizako. Don't worry.
It's like
No.
Yeah. So, yeah, Kikwizako is like I don't want to come, but
yes. We could say that because that is your ing action happening now. Yes, totally.
Yeah, no. I guess what I'm gonna getting at is when we cover this, we were covering like Kikwizako or Kukwendako as if like we were saying I'm not going, but it should be I don't want to go.
You are right. Yes, because there's a nuance there. Very hard.
Yeah.
Because
yeah, no, because when I'm looking at the way I have it written here, but I understand what you're saying, though. I understand it. I'm just going back
because
to
in English it always sounds as ing, always ing. Yes.
Yeah.
It's a sentence. Yeah. Not doing. When I say Kidiako, I don't want it. I don't want your food. Yes. If you say Kitadiako in Congo, my action is not eating now. Tutondele. You, my friends, are not eating. That time, is there?
You said it's Kuta.
Just inside your verb.
You, my friend, you're not eating Kutadiako?
Yeah, correct. Yes, Kutadiako. Yes. He is not eating.
No,
he's not eating.
That one is house, they're not around
there. He's not eating. Don't worry about that. No, sorry. He's not eating. Mute. You're on mute.
Oh, sorry. Kata Diako.
Yes. Okay, I think we're done for today. Thank you very much. But Tatana, is it clear now? Yes.
Yeah, no, I got it now. I see how you've broken it down. This is good. So I'm just gonna go back and just make some corrections to some notes that I have, so that I don't make the mistake.
I did send you this file. Have you got it, Tatana? This one.
Oh, you know, I think you actually did. Let me Okay.
PDF.
Yeah, no, don't worry about it. Yeah, I should have it. I'm gonna go into WhatsApp and pull it.
Okay. Tutondele. You are brave people. Sorry, never tell you. You are home. Don't worry. Your home is home. Yes. Someone is talking about never. My don't. This is real life. Yeah. Yeah. Tutonde tatane. Luenda gambote.
Nusala Kiambote.
Yo. Yeah.
Is that something?
Bimba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Villiers-Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Jean-René Negoro. Mamalandu. Agua Congo. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Muito fui na Yaya.
Politiza Keita Kulama
Serge Ngodo na San Diego.
Pakundu, Quella come muna Congo, un builo per mongole un mundilo Congo, e bangusa mentungi di un mundilo Congo, e non la zambe si zelle muna Congo, nyo camboyo bone che ne muna Congo, oh mwana numba bantelle muna Congo, oh mwana numba bokelle muna Congo, oh waitate muna Congo, waitate muna Congo. Matanuzi more kenne muna Congo, si povilanga pakundundu muna Congo, endundu si pelekete muna Congo, endundu si pelekete muna Congo, bila kese tuna muna Congo, bila makinu tuna kinna muna Congo, patata visa tuna kweto muna Congo, mba mama visa tuna kweto muna Congo, oluzolele kumamu meno muna Congo, monongeli ngele kombe muna Congo, kejika ngele kwenda muna Congo, oh monongeli ngele kombe muna Congo, monongeli kombe muna Congo.